Looking for a reliable, stylish and affordable ride in Coimbatore? Look no further. Introducing this stunning 2005 Honda City i-VTEC, available for sale exclusively at Daiwame Cars. This beauty comes with only 2 previous owners and has been meticulously maintained, with a mere 40,000 kilometers on the odometer. Plus, you'll be cruising worry-free with its new set of tyres and comprehensive service record. With its eye-catching cherry red color, this Honda City is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Whether you're commuting through the city or embarking on a weekend getaway, this car is your perfect companion. And the best part? You can own this 2005 Honda City i-VTEC for just 2,25,000 rupees only. Yes, you heard it right. Don't miss out on this incredible deal from Daiwame Cars. So why wait? Visit our showroom today or give us a call to make this cherry red Honda City i-VTEC yours. Daiwame Cars, your trusted partner in quality pre-owned vehicles.